How to reset your Zipcar password from the sign-in page. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. Open your browser and then search zipcar.com and then click on sign in at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on sign in at the top right corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply add your email, then click on Reset Password at the bottom. After you've clicked on Reset Password at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Click on Send Reset Instructions. After you click on Send Reset Instructions, it will send a link to your Gmail. You will need to simply reset from there. After you've reset it in your mail, you can simply go to sign in, add your email, password, and sign in. And this is how to reset your Zipcar password from the sign-in page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.